In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Keap. Tags in Keap are a simple and useful way to organize your contacts. Think of a tag like a digital label that you attach to a person's record. This makes it much easier to identify groups of contacts, track where they are in your process, and even trigger automations later on. For example, you might use tags like new lead, customer, VIP customer, newsletter subscriber, or follow-up needed. One contact can also have multiple tags, which gives you a lot of flexibility when organizing your database. To get started, log into your Keap account and open the main dashboard. This is the central area where you'll access your tools and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, go to Contacts. This is where all of your contact records are stored and managed, so it's the right place to begin when you want to create or manage tags. From there, click on Tags. This will take you to the Tag Management area, where you can view existing tags and create new ones. Next, click Add a Tag. This opens the form where you'll enter the details for the new tag you want to create. Now type in the tag name. In this example, the tag name is VIP Customers. When naming your tags, it helps to choose something clear and specific so you and your team can immediately understand what the tag means. After that, select Customer Tags as the tag category. This category helps keep your tags organized inside Keap. Categories are useful because they separate different types of tags, making them easier to manage as your system grows. In this case, customer tags would be the right choice for a label related to customers or client status. Next, type in a tag description. This is a helpful place to explain what the tag is used for, especially if multiple people work in the account. A short description can prevent confusion and make your tagging system much easier to maintain over time. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your new tag is now created and ready to use. One important tip before you go: try not to create a tag for every small piece of information. Tags work best when they are used to group, segment, track, or automate important contact actions or statuses. Keeping your tags focused and intentional will make your Keap account much cleaner and more effective. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.